As the weather heats up, people become more carefree behind the wheel, but this can also mean that drivers are more careless. With me now is attorney J.B. Beer of Platinum Law Group with advice on what to do if you are injured by a negligent driver. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Happy to have you here. Tell me, what is it about this time of year with summer and spring where you're seeing more accidents?
So what ends up happening is in the winter when it's cold and it's raining, you're more likely to be careful. You're being cognizant of what's around you. In the summer, it's nice, the top's down if you have a convertible, all your windows are open, and you just feel like you can do more. It's almost like this rush of adrenaline that you think like, I could go a little bit faster, and you push the envelope maybe a little bit too much. And
you're seeing that more and more around those summer months.
Unfortunately, drivers get cocky.
So what happens when someone's injured in an accident, whether it's their fault or not? What are the next steps?
Well, obviously, the immediate steps is you got to call 911 and call 877-OUCH-911. Okay. That's our number at the Platinum Law Group.
And you should do that immediately, those two.
When somebody calls us from the scene of an accident, we give them like a couple of short tidbits. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do A, B, C, D, and then we'll talk to you in about an hour.
That's amazing that you guys are available right there on the spot when someone needs it.
24/7. You call 877-OUCH-911, we'll talk to you.
Okay, so you give them those first three things that they should be doing, and then they should follow up with you.
Correct. Either we'll follow up with the client or they'll follow up with us an hour or two later. Obviously, if they're heading to the hospital with any serious injuries, it may take a little bit longer for that follow-up phone call, but within 24 hours, we will follow up with you, make sure you're okay, and walk you through the next few weeks or months of your case.
And why is it so important to reach out to Platinum Law Group right away, as opposed to waiting a little bit when you get more information, you hear from the doctors, or you hear from the insurance company? Why do you want to do that on the front end?
So the insurance company's job is to trip you up, and they're going to try to make it so that you say or do things in a way that's not going to be beneficial to you, it's going to be beneficial to them. And so my job is, as your liaison, I'm going to make sure that we're going to do everything we can, and you're going to do everything you can to better your case, not the insurance company's case.
Talk about that peace of mind for your customers, for your clients, after they call you, and just have sort of an advocate walking them through the process.
So the way I say it, and hopefully my clients feel this way, is I'm going to give you a hug, so to speak, and I'm going to make sure that your case, I got you, and we're going to take care of everything about your case. We're going to take care of your car, we're going to take care of your job, we're going to take care of your medical bills. We're going to all encompass and take care of everything that's going on with this accident. We're going to take care of it, and we want you to feel that way, like we are taking care of you.
That's amazing, because I really feel like if you are in an accident like that, you got bigger fish to fry at that point. You're probably nursing injuries or trying to figure out logistics, because now you don't have a car. You guys are taking care of those sorts of things for you.
Correct. One of the biggest things that my clients tell me is, I don't know what to do, can you help me? And of course, we do this all day, every day. We handle dozens of accidents a day or a week, and unfortunately, we're very good at what we do. Well, fortunately for you, but unfortunately for the world that we live in, we're very good at what we do. So even though this is the first time for you as the client, it's definitely not our first time. We know what we're doing, and we're going to take good care of you.
Okay, great. So viewers right now are watching this, are going to want to get more information. Where should they go?
So you can go to our law firm website is ouchguy.com or platinumlawgroup.com, but right up there is ouchguy.com, or you can always call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 877-OUCH-911.
That's such an easy number, so that's really helpful. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a
pleasure.
We'll
be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.